Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys. As you can see, I am eating. This is my lunch. I came here. Today is National Day. I came in city center, and of course, I was so hungry. I'm taking my lunch. As you can see, I have this combo pack. There's fried rice, noodles, chicken, and fish. I love trying the fried rice with the fish, and this chicken. This tastes so good. So I told you the fried rice. I love it with the fish combination. What food combinations do you guys love? Don't forget to comment it down below. I'd love to know it. And you all know one of my favorite food, noodles. I love to eat noodles. It's so tasty. This combo is so yummy.
This fried rice is also very tasty.
So yummy. I love this. Like I told you, with the fish combination.
Give us this fish.
Bye bye. Masalama.